Hi, my name is Kaelyn Petersen, and today I will be demonstrating my science project. My project is about pressure and temperature. I'm going to be proving to you, my viewers, scientifically that I can boil water without adding any heat to it. Due to the danger involved in this process, high pressure, low pressure, mechanical energy, adult supervision is required. So without further delay, my assistant will now demonstrate boiling water without a heat source.
Like Kaelyn said, this will be about pressure and temperature. And what we will be doing is lowering the pressure of this glass jar to a point at which, at room temperature, the water will begin to boil. I will start the process now.